Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and today I am showing you one of my favorite plus easy recipes to make if you want a snack or just a side kind of dish for dinner, and it's just stuffed cheesy capsicums or bell peppers depending on where you are when you're watching this. So I've just got a packet of small capsicums or bell peppers, and I've just cut the ends off, or the top ends up, which is like where the green stalk is, and I'm just scooping out all the seeds and the inside so I can stuff them with our delicious cheese. Now, you don't have to, but this is very much preferred. Like, you don't have to try and get all the seeds out, but you want to try and get that middle core bit out. The seeds give the peppers their temperature and their heat, so if you like spiciness, keep seeds in, but make sure you get that core bit out, because otherwise you can't stuff your peppers with your cheese. Doesn't matter what type of cheese you're using, you can use different types of cheese, just as long as you can stuff them in. Also, you can use big peppers for this, or capsicums, but the smaller ones make it easier and make a delicious snack, healthy snack too, or a great side meal. Side dish, whatever you want to call it. Entree? Could be an entree, just depending on what you're doing. I had this for dinner, didn't feel like much, and this was enough to satisfy me, I will say. But doesn't matter what type of capsicums you've got, red, green, yellow, all colourful ones, as long as you have them. And so next I'm doing is just stuffing the capsicums with the delicious cheese. So right here I'm using, I think maybe it was the pizza one. Well, okay, as we know, I am lactose intolerant, dairy free, I can't have dairy, and so I'm stuffing this with lactose intolerant cheese. I didn't have vegan cheese with me at the moment in time. This is just what I had left over in the fridge. I forgot to buy cheese, so I'm pretty sure this was the lactose free pizza cheese that I had left for something to cook with. Don't know what it was. I think it was wraps. But yeah, so I'm just stuffing it in with my lactose free pizza cheese using leftovers. Again, this dish is a great way to use leftover cheese or use stuff that's going off, so definitely recommend. Doesn't really matter what cheese you use, as long as it's some sort of cheese that melts, or any cheese you like. You could use feta, you could use ricotta, mozzarella, your buffalo mozzarella, delicious. Any sort of cheese. Pizza cheese is always good because it's like a mixture of cheese, I think, maybe. But it does melt. It melts so good, gives it gooiness. I don't know, it was just the cheese there. But you can use mixed cheeses. You can also shred up your own cheese. Like, you could shred up your Parmesan, you could shred up your cheddar cheese. I'm trying to figure out what types of cheeses there are. But you can literally use whatever cheese you want and stuff it in. Make a mixture of cheeses. Oh, you know what's good? Camembert cheese. Oh, I know, as a dairy-free, lactose-free person, I really shouldn't be, awing about cheese, but God, I miss the time where I could just eat heaps of cheese and not feel sick. Because let me tell you this, guys, your vegan cheeses are disgusting. I don't recommend. Like, I'm starting to like them a bit now, but they are still pretty disgusting. They don't melt. They don't melt at all. They're just there. Try and heat it up, it just doesn't melt. Or it has like some weird taste. I can't describe the taste, but it's not a nice taste. It's a disgusting taste. And it's just, wouldn't recommend. So that's why I go to the lactose-free cheeses when it comes to these things, because it doesn't taste horrible. It tastes good and they actually melt. But yeah, as you can see, that all my peppers, capsicums are stuffed with the cheese. You can go as much in or as little as you want. I like to put a lot in, but unfortunately, yeah, I did run out of cheese and that. And then next you want to do is you want to put it into the oven, and you want to drizzle some olive oil on them, or any type of oil. Roast them for a good 10 minutes. I like to crack some pepper and salt over it just to get a bit more flavor. But you want to roast them until the peppers get like this nice browny color and are blistering like we have here in the finished product. The cheese is melted, the capsicum's all brown and crispy. That's how we want it. It's how we want our peppers to look and taste, guys. And it's such an easy recipe. Probably takes 20 minutes max, maybe less, depending on how your oven is and how slow you want to prep this. But such a good simple side or meal or snack to have. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!